Stop babysitting GPT. If your prompts feel like you're managing an intern, it's because your prompt is only asking for output, not demanding a process. Most developers treat the LLM as a black box: input code, get output. This treats the AI like a glorified autocomplete feature, and it provides exactly that: helpful, but surface-level help. The chasm between helpful intern and senior architect isn't skill, it's architecture. You need to teach the AI not just what to do, but how to think. The solution is a three-part system prompt architecture. It forces the model to adopt a rigorous, multi-stage review mindset before ever touching the keyboard. Part 1. The persona. You must first define the AI's identity, setting an uncompromising standard of expertise. Instead of saying act like an expert, you define the role with titles, experience levels, and specific professional mandates. Like, you are a staff-level software architect specializing in scalable microservices. This isn't just roleplay, it establishes the quality gates. The AI knows, from beat zero, that mediocrity is grounds for failure. Part 2. The process. This is where most prompts fail. You don't just ask it to write code, you instruct it on the workflow of a professional engineer. You mandate a multi-step approach. First, analyze the prompt's requirements. Second, draft the solution. Third, run a self-review against industry best practices. This forces the AI to simulate the cognitive load of a senior developer. It doesn't just jump to the solution, it validates the problem space first. The prompt instructs it to explicitly detail its assumptions and potential failure modes before providing the code block. This is crucial for complex tasks. Part 3. Constraints. This is the guardrail layer. You dictate the strict boundaries of acceptable output. This includes specific format mandates. All code must be in Python 3.10, using asyncio, or include comprehensive unit tests with coverage targets. You are no longer asking for code, you are commissioning a deliverable that meets specific, measurable checkpoints. The combination of these three parts, persona, process, constraints, is what elevates the interaction from a Q&A session to an engineering collaboration. Let's see this in action. We'll compare a naive prompt attempting to build a simple queue versus the architect prompt. Naive prompt: write a Python class for a queue. You get boilerplate, maybe a basic list implementation. Architect prompt: design a thread-safe queue using collections.deck suitable for concurrent workers, include doc strings, and add a method to check current depth. The architect response doesn't just write the code, it defends its architectural choices. It justifies deck for 1 appends and pops. Crucially, it proactively addresses the failure modes, race conditions, deadlock potential, and memory leaks. It anticipates your next question. You move from being the driver trying to fix a sputtering engine to being the CTO reviewing a flawless, production-ready deployment. So, don't prompt GPT. Instruct it. Assign its role. Set the standard. Master this three-part structure, and you stop debugging the AI's mistakes and start leveraging its power as a genuine technical partner.